with my mom. Draw. Drawing. I am drawing a picture. Fly a kite. Flying a kite. He is flying a kite. Play football. Playing football. Felix is playing football. Ride a bike. Riding a bike. She is riding a bike. Sleep. Sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Decorate. Decorating. They are decorating the house. Lay the table. Laying the table. We are laying the table for dinner. Để xem hội thoại.
Today is my birthday, and we're having an outdoor party. My mom is cooking for the party. She's preparing a lot of good food. All are my favorite dishes. My dad is laying the table with a birthday cake, fruits, and a lot of candies. Alice and Vic are decorating the garden with flowers and balloons. Susie and Mimi are riding their bikes around the garden. It seems they are having fun. Brian and Moon Moon are playing football over there. I'm feeling excited now. And look, my friends are arriving.
Bé học mẫu câu. What are you doing? Today, we learn how to talk about things happening at the time of speaking. To talk about things happening at the time of speaking, use the structure I plus am plus verbing. He or she plus is plus verbing. They plus are plus verbing. For example, I'm doing my homework. He's reading a book. She's listening to music. They're watching TV. To ask and answer questions about the things someone is doing, say, what plus are plus you or they plus doing. The answer? I'm plus verbing. They are plus verbing. What plus is plus he or she plus doing. The answer? He or she plus is plus verbing. For example, what are you doing? I'm doing my homework. What is he doing? He's flying a kite. What is she doing? She's painting. What are they doing? They are playing football. That is the end of the lesson. See you again.
Bé luyện phát âm.
Cooking, drawing, flying a kite, playing football, riding a bike, sleeping, decorating, laying the table.
Bé luyện nghe nói.
What are you doing?
Bé luyện viết. Bé chơi trò chơi. Em hãy di chuyển cung thủ đến ô có chứa những cụm từ đúng, miêu tả về các hoạt động trên bức tranh bên phải và click chuột nhé.
Sleeping.
Bé học hát.
Listening to music. What are you doing? I'm drawing. What are you doing? I'm cooking. What are you doing? I'm eating. Is he doing? He's playing football. What is she doing? She's riding